How to make a Diorama vase with simple dry effect. I'll show you, let's go. Base is just a polyurethane plate, high density, and we need matte enamels, white glue and sand. Apply a generous white matte enamel coat. Then I sprinkle clean sand over the fresh paint. Plate measures 8 inches by side. Let the paint dry for 24 hours. Mix white glue and water-based acrylic paint in equal parts. And paint over the dry sand. I cut just enough. This mixture fix and cover the sand. Same, let the paint dry for 24 hours. In the meantime, let's work on set details. Cut and paint a paint strip on white. When it's dry, I cover sections with painter's tape. Now I paint red over the uncoated parts. I make a little hole for the signpost. I apply burnt sienna color on first coat. I use water-based acrylic enamels. Okay, now paint effects. Try the driver's technique. Remember, allow to dry between coats. First, dry brush coat. For the second coat, I apply a yellow ochre color. Slowly, dry brush effect appears. Paint in medium gray for the last coat. When it's dry, I painted the plate contour in black. Final look. This effect imitates dry soil very well. Let's finish the signpost. I add some traffic signals. I used popsicle sticks. I cut and sand 3 pieces. Painting white? Yes, symmetric signs. Let's make a signage and penicillin vials. I choose 3 different plastic colors. I bend the plastic with heat. Liquid poly to glue parts. The signage 1/6 scale. Well, more or less. Okay, it's all set. Doc reads some newspapers. Dioramas tell stories. This is about the end of war. Penicillin soap is boxed. It's like a medical field station post. Crutch included. Figure is a Gaperman, but you can apply to any scale. Well, that's all. Say if you like it. See you around.